don't give a fuck, bro. What you mean, nigga? I'm here where I'm at, nigga. Ayy, pussy. Ayy, Zay, 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 Zay. Where you at, man? You said you was on the way.
What's up, guys? This is Dan Kakish, Lethal Culture, and welcome back to a brand new video. And we got Zoe over here warming up, and then over here we got the one and only Slow Ball.
Lethal Culture fan, what's up, fools? Hey.
No, he's like half asleep saying, "What's up, fools?" Like, oh my god. What's under the head?
Nothing. I don't want no one to see my nos lines, bro.
Oh, you're stupid. All right, but we about to cruise right now to my homie Rivera shop. So, you ready? Let's do it. Just got to Rivera shop over here. Z is in there, and we got Slowbo just in there. Now let's walk outside, see what's going on out here. Oh, Eric, what's up, bro? What you doing here, bro? What's up, bro?
What's up,
How you doing?
I'm doing great. How about yourself, dude?
Good. Let's see what's going on over here. Watch my. Oh my gosh. What's up, bro? What are you up to, bro? You breaking my Z? What are you doing?
Breaking it, bro. Checking some ground wires.
Oh shoot.
You know.
Okay. Leo, what are you up to, bro? Are you? Oh, we're tuning the car right now.
Yep.
Shoot, that's a big tune. It's gonna be shooting a flame bigger than yours, Slow Ball.
That's the way.
What the heck? What do you mean? What is this, a hookah, bro? What do you mean? Here, take it, bro.
Make sure you wipe it every time.
You big ol'. He said hookah session freaking at Rivera, bro. Oh, okay. Dang, you take the fats. Yeah.
It's just good.
Let's start a vape channel, bro. How to blow O's next video. Alright, y'all. So Zoe's gonna be spending the night at Rivera Motorsports again for a little bit. She needs a little bit of more work done, little sensors and all that crap that are gonna be fixed. And then the window switches, all that crap will be fixed next time I have her. So you guys will get to see all that. Oh my god, is that a dummy dog?
Holy fucker!
Oh my god, extra. Look at that, y'all. Now we just got some Thai tea. What'd you get, bro? What'd you get? What flavor is that?
Sweet citrus.
Sweet citrus. That's bomb.
Full send, boys. Went off that gear bad, but this shit pretty bold for what it is.
Alright, what is up, everybody? We in the car with Slowbo, and he got a tuned 370Z, which we're gonna go over, but we're in the car right now, and he about to do a little lunch with us. Thank God we got bright seats, otherwise watching it from the outside is one thing, but being in the freaking car is another whole different. Wow. Props to my boy, bro. Thanks, bro.
Thank you, bro.
This car's amazing.
Huh?
It's amazing.
I know it is. It's amazing. It's cute, you know? And this is my daily, so like I drive this every single day, so it's like a dream come true.
What are you trying to say?
I'm a fucking race car dude.
Because I don't daily my tea. That's why, bro.
Your Z's a garage princess. No, your Z's a garage princess.
Hold on, get me out the car. Nah, get me out the car. I want me. Hey. Fuck. Hey, it says construction, sir.
You guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
It says construction.
Sorry, my bad.
Alright, y'all, what is up? We just got to a little location. It is so nice over here. We got the Z Park right over here. And Slowbo You want to go over your beautiful tune?
Yes, I want to go over my beautiful tune.
Let's do it.
I'm tuned by Dad, okay? So if you guys don't know who Saul Nismo Knight is, he's one of the best tuners out here in SoCal. So he tuned my Z. I made a 302 baseline with just exhaust intakes. Nothing crazy done to it. So just bolt-ons, you know, simple bolt-ons. I'm not even full bolt-on yet. I'm not on E. After I got tuned by him, I made 315 wheel horsepower. It was pretty good for the car being brand new and on 91. So for sure, maybe later in the future, I'm gonna be adding more mods to it. But as of right now, I like where it sits, and now I just gotta make it look pretty. So I have honeycomb hood and fenders, Nismo front bumper. I got the Nismo front bumper. I have work a CR 2-piece. These wheels were kind of hard to get. I found them on OfferUp, but OfferUp the plug. So if you want to build your car for a cheap, affordable price,
OfferUp.
Shout out to OfferUp.
You're
okay?
stupid.
Shout out to OfferUp. If you go inside the car, we have the beautiful ride seats. Daniel, why are you leaving a mess in my car? Okay.
Oh,
why are you leaving a mess in my car? We have the beautiful bright seats.
Hell yeah.
And
I love those seats. They're comfy as hell too.
Yeah. And then for people gonna ask about what exhaust I'm running a Tommy muffler.
A what?
A Tommy dot. A Tommy dot. A Tommy dot.
Okay. I swear, I think we said that like 20 times in this video already,
like,
bro. I think they all know what exhaust you're running
now.
already, bro.
So we have a Tommy with a.
It's a what?
It's a Tommy dot. Yeah, but with a Megan white pipe and Megan test pipe. So I didn't get expensive parts besides the Tommy.
Yeah.
But I mean, you don't need to put that much money into the Z's to be able to make them fast.
Right.
So just exhaust intakes, and you don't even need to go E85, and your car will be pretty fast where it sits. If we go under the hood, I have still in Gen 3 intakes. I'm over here with the boba in my hand.
I grab one, you grab one, or what? Okay.
This shit's dirty.
Why you
don't mind it,
boba?
please. It's dirty. It's dirty.
Look at the stilling intakes though, dual air intakes. Look at that, y'all. That's a beauty right there. So as far as under the hood, all you got is the steel and air intakes, right? And then other than that, it's the right, it's the exhaust that's going down, yeah. Where's the intake at? Where's it? Can you guys see it? I can kind of see it a little bit. Oh, and then he got this new front bumper also. So this is the new front bumper he got. This is the Nismo one. So
the newer one. It's like, I think it's 2015 up. Nismo bumper.
Yeah. So this crap, he's gonna paint it white to match his car. So that's why it's kind of black right now. But he looks kind of sick. But obviously he's gonna match it, so it's gonna look really, really good. So that's how the Z's sitting right now, yo. So driving in this car, oh my god, it felt really, really like fast.
It hugs you.
So yeah. All right, guys. So he's gonna rev it with the Tommy.
It's quiet. You can barely hear it. I don't hear it. Do you hear it?
I hear it.
You hear it now?
Yes, I hear it.
All right.
At night, this crap will be shooting flames, no?
Yeah.
Pretty ruthless. I'm over here just enjoying my boba. So I'm about to get some rolls over his car right now. Let's go. Promisha? Or Slowisha?
Slowisha.
Hey! 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 Who's this? Hey, Slowbo, Hey, Slowbo, can you pick me up? What the heck? Who are you?
Slowisha.
Slowisha? Hey, Slowisha, can I have a ride?
What do you drive?
A 350Z. What are you doing?
Nigga, that's my type. That's my type. Hey.
So am I not your type?
Hey. Now you drive a DE, nigga.
Oh shoot, my bad. Come here. I want you to see this car. Come here. Look at this.
What? Are you crazy? Are you trying to kill my ears?
It's quiet, huh? Saul! Shout out to Saul!
His technique is so advanced that even driving the speed limit is an experience. And yet he's still in complete command of the road. If there's such a thing as perfect technique, this might be it.
I pull up with no hood attached and the backwood lit. Pistons pushing heavy underneath.